biggest strength of this film is the audience.
Okay.
The audience really speaking out for the film and defending the film and connecting with the film. We can say all we want about what makes a good movie, but the ultimate word belongs to the audience. So the biggest strength of this film is the audience.
The team believes so much in this because there are millions of kids who are being trafficked around the world, and the team has put overtime without extra cost into this all over the world.
I hope that Brazil responds to this movie the way the rest of the world is responding to this movie. I hope that they leave the theater excited and thoughtful. Excited because they just saw a great film, and thoughtful because they're now aware of the major issue that is child trafficking, and that they are inspired to contribute to the conversation and do something about it.